So today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Planet Fitness account online. Once you sign in, you're going to get thrown into your profile account right over here. And this is going to have all your information. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see where it says membership detail. We want to go ahead and click on the word manage right over here. Now that's going to go ahead and take us over here to our membership page. It'll show you your current membership, any potential upgrades. But then to the right of that, you're going to see where it says more options. Now, first and foremost, I do want to let you know that you can see the cancellation button over here on my screen, but you most likely will not have this option available for you, which is why you're watching this video. Now, of course, you do have this option. Go ahead and click on it. But if you do not have this option, we need to go ahead and click on this transfer button. And the reason for that is because every other state pretty much does not have the ability to cancel online. So what we actually want to do is click right over here on transfer. Now, this is going to take you to the transfer your home club section. So you're going to go ahead and click on right over here where it says continue to transfer membership. We're going to go ahead and do that. And that's going to take you to the map of the United States. Now, all you got to do is go to the search bar over here, or you can zoom into one of these purple dots, and you want to find any location in California. If you want to go ahead and say Riverside, like I did, and hit find club, it's going to zoom us right over here into California. And again, you can either click any of these dots or click the next closest one. You can see we just changed our home club to this one right over here. We don't even live in California. So what you will see is something like this, where you can click on select club. And you're going to go ahead through the process to select that club. And then we're going to go ahead and go back to the main page of our Planet Fitness account. Now that's going to take you right back over here into your profile account once you log back in. And then we're going to go ahead and click right over here where it says manage once again. Now that brings us back over here to our memberships, and under the more options, you should now see the new option to go ahead and actually cancel your Planet Fitness account. We're going to go ahead and click on this. And then from here, it's going to ask you why you're leaving. And there are a couple ones that you do have to fill out, like the first and the third question, but you can go ahead and skip the second and fourth. And once you do that, let's go ahead and click on continue. And then it's going to pop up this section over here asking if you want to temporarily freeze. But honestly, going through all of this, I'm just going to go ahead and click right over down here where it says no thanks. I still want to just cancel. And because they are so great at this, they have one extra step right over here for reviewing thing. And at the very bottom, right over here, it says cancel membership. Let's click on this. And finally, just like that, we are able to cancel our Planet Fitness online.